Staff competition. And he's not kidding. What are the hazards of work here?
Hazards?
Yeah.
Hey, you get hit with dough at any time. Like that.
You got
Flour in the eye.
flour in the eye.
Arthritis in the wrist. Burns.
This is no spectator sport.
It's great.
Alright, the competition's getting started here. Getting little doughs ready. Drew's firing them up. You got the competitor one. Introduce yourself.
I'm Bianca.
Bianca.
Yes.
Alright.
Sean.
Sean, number 2.
Mark.
Brian. Brian, my bad, number 3. About to start getting it kicked off here. Doughs are almost ready. Look at them go.
First competition will be highest throw with keeping it intact. So.
Highest and intact. Bianca's gonna kick us off.
Brought to you by the Seckies, and reminding you to stay thirsty, my friends. And of course, us, New Power 100.1.
We count it with height, handicap. Alright, I think round one.
Round 1, yes. Good one. We're coming up on round 2.
Oh, round 2 is whoever can get it the biggest without a hole in it.
$20 in-store
So
purchase.
try
And
and
of course, you can always shop Elations 24/7. Just visit them online at shopelations.com, where you'll get 25% off all DVDs ordered online. So for that 411,
Competition is get it the biggest without a hole in it.
552-1492. That's 706-552.
That's already a 10-incher.
Don't miss the Elations Fling Blowout going on right now.
Looks like we're going into overtime. Sean, well done, my man. Alright, we're coming into the championship round. Drew's going to call the start.
Alright, you guys ready? Get set, go!
Look at that form.
Look at that.
Nice spread. Nice
Just toss
spread.
it.
Oh. Oh.
One more toss and you got it. Alright. Sit good. We got a winner.
Got it.
Alright.
Sean! Woo! Get it in. That's a big high five. Yeah.
Alright.
You got anything to say to the camera?
It's a big... I won.
You won.
Alright.
You got it.
Wait, we gotta get him with a t-shirt and his gift card for that.